between the Dracaenas. This will surely stop them from looking at me. Shh, you cannot see me. Yes, I have made it to the top. I am come. Oh yes. The treasure is over there.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're gonna be getting rid of our side fence jungle. There's a jungle over here, Dracaenas, yuccas. Kind of makes you want to play a bit of Tomb Raider.
And there it is! The treasure! It has come! Oh, I have won! I am victorious! And now I must remove all of my tracks and cut these trees down so that nobody can find my treasure. Let's go!
Thanks, Laura. Now, it's time to start with the big one. We're going to be laying down a concrete slab here for some air conditioning. So we need to get rid of this, say, 3-meter tall Dracaena. There's 2 of them. So I got my demo hammer, and I got my shovels, and I got my crofter. So I think what we should do is get rid of the bricks first.
Yeah.
And that will give us space to dig underneath these trees.
Yes, boss, let's do it. Succulents. So people actually like these because these are good indoor plants, and they're like the cacti. They come from the cacti family, and they don't require much water to live, so they like them because they spread. They look fairly pretty. So we might even repot these ones for an indoor plant. Alright, so now that we've cleared the way, it's time to get rid of this long Dracaena, and he's got quite a thick girth. So I'm guessing he's going to have a fairly thick diameter. But the good thing about this is when you get rid of these things, they're not close to your house, so you don't feel like you're going to damage your property. So yeah, let's just get digging into it.
Alright, so we managed to expose most of the root. They're very, very thick and heavy. They go down. So we're going to use a bit of demolition hammer time just to clean up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh! Yeah! Ah! Where's the camera? I am a conqueror! I'm kind of sad that it's done.
Over your head.
Alright, so next up we are going to be removing these Dracaenas because again they are very close to the house and they probably are doing a lot of damage to our walls and our rainwater tank. We don't want to flood. No way. This is not as easy as the other two, surprising. I don't know why these are smaller, but We're getting there.
So this one's harder because it's a bit more intricate. We've got the rainwater tank, we've got the rainwater tank pump, we've got two side by side right next to each other.
Yeah.
We've got electricity, and we've done less preparation. So previously we got rid of all the bricks, gave us lots of space to attack. Now we're just going in hard. That's why it's harder.
It's hard.
I told you.
You know, I'm surprised that we did this. I was thinking that we weren't going to do it, but actually turns out we actually managed to do it, and they're alright. Like the birds of paradise, the giant birds of paradise were really tough. They were like so tough. I don't know how Ash did it. So this one felt like a lot easier compared to that. I'm happy. I feel like we can do this. Like we're both fasting. We haven't had any water, no tea, no drinks, no nothing, and we ripped out 4 of these Dracaenas.
I think you just walked.
There's nowhere for me to hide. Okay. Space. Freedom. Oh wait! My tree has gone. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh. Yes, I have found it, the last pottery of Remon. I'm gonna go and sell this for $1 million.